I am removing rocks. All this has to go away. Previously on Quebec Homestead. Well, I didn't even start and I'm already all dirty. We just hooked up the log loader on the tractor because we were given some wood by our neighbor, so we're gonna go get that tomorrow or on Sunday. And now I'm back in the woodlot, and we realized very quickly with the trailer and the tractor that our entranceway wasn't large enough. So I'm gonna have to go in there and move a whole bunch of big rocks and boulders to make it way wider if we want to be able to work in it this winter. So I'm gonna just get off of the middle section that I was taking off in my last video of the woodlot, and I'm gonna start working on the entranceway to make it a lot larger. Because if we want to have 53 footers in here, then that's it's a must. We're gonna have to. Alright, this might be a bumpy ride. I am removing rocks. All this has to go away. So I have to move all this material all the way to my excavator, move it all the way over there so that the 53 footer can come in from where the truck is all the way in here, and so he'll have clear passage to come in and out at a good angle to go back over there. So I'm gonna hop on the excavator, hop on Renee, and hopefully it won't be too bumpy. Way too bumpy. See that? It's not even holding. Have to do something else. That is not working at all. Okay, figure something else here. See how this goes. I cleared out all this. I have to go back, move that back to clear more space because there's still a pretty big mound that I need to move. It's getting there though. This is huge. A lot of stuff to move. I'm gonna save some battery. I'm gonna continue doing this, and I'll be back in a little while. I need to save my battery.
15 minutes later.
The little excavator that could.
I work hard every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us from having fun. There ain't no cloud in sight. The future is looking bright. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun.
Okay, I'm at that point where this guy has to go.
These lazy days are never done. Cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. Girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never.
Alright, there's still a really big mountain to move. I opened it up that much, and there's still this big mound. It's quite a lot of material, actually. So, entranceway like this. Quite a bit of material left to move. I hope it's going to be wide enough, seriously, because, man, it's a lot of rocks. So I just pulled these two out, and just to give you an idea of how many rocks and material I moved. I moved it all the way to here in the beginning. Boop. And I just kept on bringing it and bringing it and bringing it. There's a lot of stuff, guys. Alright, is it going to be large enough? Alright, I'm going to lose battery, guys. I'm going to have to end this on there. See you on the next one. Do you want more videos like this? Go check out some of my other videos on my channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See ya.